Hey, it's Matt from Practice Perfect. Welcome back to Practice Perfect University. Today we'll be discussing how to send faxes to physicians, adjusters, lawyers, and other external contacts directly through Practice Perfect. Step 1. Faxing through Practice Perfect is as easy as printing a document, but before you attempt any part of this setup, please contact the support department. There is some setup that needs to be done on our end before your clinic is able to fax. Step 2. Once you're set up on the faxing server, you'll need to enter a few pieces of information into Practice Perfect. This is done by selecting Settings, Other Settings, and then Fax. First, you have the ability to archive your sent faxes in the form of a PDF. To do so, tick the following box and use the folder icon to select a destination for your saved faxes. Please note that there are several other methods for tracking your faxes. Over time, archiving your sent faxes as PDFs can take up a lot of space on your computer. We'll be covering these other methods later in the video. The next thing to do in this panel is set up your fax footer. The fax footer is a standard message that will appear at the bottom of every cover page of every fax you send. Most clinics will use the fax footer for their standard privacy statement, so if you have a privacy statement prepared, such as something stating your HIPAA compliance in the US, then this is an excellent place to put it. Lastly, you'll need to provide us with an email address to which we can direct the email fax confirmations. This same email address is used to set you up on our faxing server. The email address must be entered here in the username column, but you may use one email address per location, or you can use the same email address across all locations. Please note that we need to be notified if you want to change the email address. If, for any reason, the email address entered here does not match the email address on our faxing server, then none of your faxes will be sent. That said, it's really important for us to be notified of any changes. Step 3. Now we're going to send a fax. When using our integrated faxing service, you can fax any document directly through Practice Perfect. Whether it's a progress note, an invoice, an evaluation, or an external item like a Microsoft Word document or a PDF in the Activities by Documents, everything can be faxed. You're also able to fax multiple documents simultaneously, provided they are the same type of document. To fax the document, begin by flagging it. Then click on the printer icon, followed by the printer tab. Click the drop-down list next to printer. There will be a new option in the list called Practice Perfect Fax. Upon selecting this option, the print button will turn into a fax button. Click Fax to reveal the Practice Perfect Fax panel. Please note that depending on the type of document you are faxing, such as a PDF or a Microsoft Word document, clicking the printer icon will select Practice Perfect Fax by default. Step 4. This is the Practice Perfect Fax panel. The first thing to do in this panel is choose the fax recipient. The fax recipient will always default to the family physician in the patient's client profile. If there isn't a family physician, it will show the incident physician. If there isn't an incident physician, it will show the adjuster. And if there's none of the above, it will say, please specify other recipient. You may also choose this option if you wish to send the fax to someone who isn't necessarily associated with the client profile. In the fax comment, you may type out a message that you wish to include on your cover page. There are no character or length restrictions. And last but not least, you have the option to record this fax in the contact log. This is a fantastic way for maintaining a record of this fax being sent. The Add to Contact Log button will be ticked off by default, but you may then choose a category for the contact log entry. But if this is something time sensitive, then you may want to tick off Create Reminder. By doing so, the individual in the responsible party field will receive a notification on the follow-up date when they log into Practice Perfect. When all of the settings have been entered, click OK to send your fax, and within a few moments, your fax will be sent. Step 5. Now we'll pop over to the contact log to review the new entry that was made when we sent this fax. and you can see some basic information about the fax here in the contact log entry. However, if you'd like to know whether or not your fax was delivered successfully, you will need to wait for the email confirmation. The email confirmation typically arrives 5 to 10 minutes after sending your fax. It will also include an attached image of the fax, so in the event that a fax was not delivered successfully, you'll know exactly which document needs to be resent. It also provides you with a good opportunity to see all of the information contained on the cover page. Most notably, you'll have your company letterhead, along with all of the clinic's contact information, the message you included in the fax comment, and the fax footer that was entered in the fax settings panel. Thanks for visiting. Be sure to visit Practice Perfect University for the rest of our tutorial videos.